Suportado ng ilang mga mambabatas ang hirit na dagdag na pondo ng hudikatura. Ngit kasi ng hudikatura, patuloy ang kanilang pagsasaayos sa lahat ng korte sa bansa, lalo na sa usaping digitalization. Si Kenneth Pasyente sa report. Rise and Shine, Kenneth.
Dininig ng House Committee on Appropriations ang inihihirit na pondo ng judiciary. 71.91 billion pesos ang proposed budget ng hudikatura, pero 57.79 billion pesos lang ang inaprubahan ng Department of Budget and Management. Kaya sa budget hearing ng committee level, inihirit ng judiciary na mabalik ang tinapyas na pondo. Kung susumahin kasi, 14.12 billion pesos ang natapyas sa kanilang panukalang pondo, bagay na magagamit sana nila sa mga programa ng judiciary.
The variance of 14.12 billion insofar as the expense items are concerned are as follows. For personal services, it's 9.3 billion. For MOE, it's 3.7 billion. For capital outlay, it's 43 million. For RLIP, it's 17.5 million. And for RGTLP, or retirement gratuity, terminal leave, and pension, it's 1.09 billion. So the variance insofar as that 14.12 billion is concerned, for the Supreme Court, it's 12.2 billion. For the PET, it's 7.74 million. For the Court of Appeals, it's 1.19 billion. For the Sandigan Bayan, it's 443 million. And for the Court of Tax Appeals, it's 287 million.
Pero kung hindi man daw maibigay ang kabuuan ng natapyas na pondo, hirit ng hudikatura sa mga mambabatas. Isaalang-alang na mabigyan sila kahit 6.7 billion pesos na dagdag pondo. Gagamitin ito sa iba't ibang ahensya na nasa ilalim ng judiciary.
Most of these, Your Honor, are personnel services items, Your Honors, for the Supreme Court, particularly with respect to the adjustments in the salary grades of our court personnel nationwide for the first and second level courts, numbering about more than 20,000, Your Honors. And then other personal benefits for the appellate courts, for the Court of Appeals, the Court of Tax Appeals in the Sandigan Bayan, Your Honors.
Ipinunto rin ng hudikatura na patuloy ang kanilang pagsasaayos ng mga korte para mapabilis ang serbisyo sa publiko. Kabilang na riyan ang pagpapalakas pa ng kanilang digitalization. Suportado naman ng ilang mambabatas ang hirit na dagdag pondo ng judiciary.
Yung kanilang budget utilization by major programs is even more than 100%. 128.5%, 109.1%, 100%. So wala po akong nakikitang rason why we cannot give what they are asking for.
In this case, the 6.7 billion, which are all, I think, are all going to the PS, no? The personnel for additional manpower. Justice delayed is justice denied. In this case, we cannot delay our budget also to the judiciary.
Matapos ang pagdinig, irerekomenda raw ng mga miyembro ng komite sa plenaryo na maibalik ang natapyas na pondo sa hudikatura.
Kenneth Pasyente, para sa Morning Show ng Bayan, Rise and Shine, Pilipinas.